Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Ipsy Ultimate. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. Excuse the absence of some of my lipstick. I had to stop the video right quick and eat a little bit. I made broccoli alfredo with Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuits and honey. It was good. That's the beautiful thing about these YouTube videos. You never know what happens in between the cuts. But moving on. If you don't know about Ipsy, it is a beauty subscription service that is $12 a month for a bag. And you get 5 deluxe products. You can upgrade to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for $25 a month. And you get 5 full-size products. And now they have Ipsy Ultimate, which is a bigger box. It is $50 a month. You get 12 beauty products. You get to choose one of your products and then they'll build the rest of the bag to complement your choice. This is the box that I got in the mail from Ipsy, a lot bigger than the Glam Bag Plus. I don't see a brochure in this one that tells me how much each product is worth. So if I get further information about this one, I will put it on the screen. First, we have the Real Her Playbook 2 shadow palette. It does come with a mirror. It's got some nice shades in it, 9 shades total, a few different browns, some bronzy shades, a champagne shade, a burgundy, and a highlight shade. I think the shade range is nice for fall. Never heard of Real Her before. It says it's paraben free, certified cruelty free, natural ingredients, vegan, long wearing, sulfate free, richly pigmented hues, long wearing, crease resistant, fade resistant, buildable colors, and textures ranging from velvety smooth matte to metallic sheen. So excited to try this brand, especially since it's all natural ingredients. Next we have the Murad Hydration ABH BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. If I remember correctly, I actually selected this one. They did give us the option to select one. This is the one that I chose. This is a big size. I've never tried Murad. I've heard so many good things about them. AHA, if you didn't know, is just hyaluronic acid. It's an intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acids that polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation. Reveals a smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. 6.75 floral ounces in this. This is a fairly big bottle, so I'm pleased with the size of this product. I'm really excited to add this to my skincare routine. Then we have some Farrah brushes. I've received Farrah brushes in a subscription box before. Ooh, and these are blue at the top. Really pretty. Adds a little I really like that. This is the Cheeky In 218 brush. Assuming it's like a blush brush. We have the Stippling 40FM, which I'm assuming is a foundation brush, and a 20FF straight. Maybe a concealer or a foundation brush. I'm not quite sure. I always Google the brush make and model, and that tells you what it's for. The thing about makeup brushes is you can really use them for whatever use you want, which I really love. I also have the Betty Boop and Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner, a marker felt tip black eyeliner. I love a winged eyeliner. I love using eyeliner pens for that, so always good to have another one of those. They also included mask sheets, natural shea butter, and also the natural avocado, deep moisturizing avocado from Mexico, and protecting shea butter from Africa. Love sheet masks, so always good to have a couple more to try, and these feel juicy. Then we have BioRay's Lou Serum Soin Hydratant. I think this is in French, I'm not quite sure. A hydrating serum for moisturizing and improving the skin complexion. It does have a pump, which is always nice for me on any product. You guys know I love serums. They also included a makeup bag that has sequins on the back with a Betty Boop and red detailing with a red zipper. They also have the Context Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Sweet Emotion. Ooh, it looks like a beautiful fall burgundy orange. I really like that. It's got a little brown in it, so that's really nice for fall. Really love this color. The rest of these look like deluxe size products. We have an eggplant clearing mud mask by Papa Recipe, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam by Dewy Tree, a slightly acidic cleansing foam, helps sebum control Control for sensitive skin, the Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream, Invisible Armor protecting skin from environmental toxins, 12-hour hydration, the Sella Creme de la Creme Very Best Cream, a body cream formulated with Canadian botanicals, kapuku butter, and abyssinian oil to richly moisturize. It's got refreshing orange and grapefruit essential oils, leaving skin decadently scented. It smells nice, not too overwhelming. Lastly, they have the Lasting Smiles Peach Blossom Organic Lip Balm. It smells really good. It smells just like peach. So what are my thoughts on Glam Back Ultimate? I really think they could have took the brushes, the beautiful fall lipstick, the eyeliner, the eyeshadow palette, and even threw in a skincare product and called this a Glam Back Plus for $25, and it would have been a banging Glam Bag Plus. They threw in a makeup bag that it's cute, but honestly I can do without it. And then they threw in a lot of other skincare products, mostly deluxe sizes. Now the one thing about the extra skincare products that they did stick in the box are the sheet masks, because I just love sheet masks, and also the serum because I really love serums. Serums and sheet masks are probably my favorite skincare out there. Now if I was a skincare junkie, I may like having all of these, but you guys know I love makeup and I am a makeup fanatic. I'm not a skincare junkie in this moment as of now. That may change in the future, but I don't need a lot of deluxe size skincare products to build up every month. When I think of a $50 box, I automatically compare that to BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe, because that is a $50 box. When you compare this box to BoxyLuxe and you're getting all full-size products in that box, yes, you may be getting just a little bit less, maybe 2 to 3 items less than you would in this box, but they're all full size, and a lot of those products are worth upwards to $100 by themselves. So just in comparing that box, I still definitely think that BoxyCharm takes the cake. This is a good box though. A lot of these products I will be trying out. I'm more excited about the makeup than I am all of the deluxe skincare sizes, but I am excited about the one skincare product that I did choose, the mask and the serum. So these are the skincare products that I will most likely be trying, more so than the deluxe sizes that they sent. I've already downgraded. I think that Glam Back Plus at half the price of this box to me is enough products, and it's got more makeup in it, which I really like. I don't need all of these skincare items. I'm pretty sure they'll revamp it. This is their first bigger box, and so the boxes I'm pretty sure will get better and better. But with all of the changes that BoxyCharm is making, you guys know I have BoxyCharm and I've upgraded to BoxyLuxe, and I just added on BoxyCharm Premium because I want to review that for you guys as well, and I am on the wait list for that. I'll know on November 1st whether or not I'm actually going to get it or not. I don't want to have too many products coming in, number one. Number two, I'm also very mindful about the amount of money that I'm spending between all of these subscription boxes, so I would just rather go with one service that I really love instead of going with the service that I kind of like. But you guys know that I really love Glam Back Plus, so I am getting Glam Back Plus for next month, and I will review that box instead of the Ultimate. And if I really like that box, I probably will keep the subscription, but we will see. And you guys can also chime in the comments below and let me know what you would like to see. If you guys would like a review of any one product in this box in particular, go ahead and comment that down below as well. Follow me over on Instagram because I do leave daily reviews of products that I purchase, products that I get in the mail. That's kind of where you can learn a little bit more about individual products that you see here on my channel if you don't see a dedicated video for it. So that's gonna be all for this video, guys. I hope that it was helpful for you. If so, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love beauty and lifestyle, and if you do too, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Become part of the Britty fam. You can hit the bell notifications. This will ensure that you see that I have uploaded a video, because YouTube doesn't necessarily show you all of your subscriptions uploads, but if you hit that bell, that tells YouTube you really really like this channel and you want to see more. That does help with the engagement. That does help my channel. So you can show your support in that way. And I hope to see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.